What on earth is this? Says queen. She's a queen. Queen to be free of all infection. So folks, this is a comforter that I was gonna get for me and ended up being from my mom's instead. And I gotta drag this inside. More boxes. More boxes that I have to get rid of. More boxes. Ay. Check that out. Let's see what it has. 5-piece reversible comforter. Esto pesa. Wow. Oh, how nice. Comes with a book. Bebejan. Ooh. Well, Mama Doo's got a comforter. And guess what, guys? This free $99. This was on the house. So this is my first on the house on, I believe this is my 9th order from Flip. So yeah. So my oh my god. What is this? The 8th? 9th overall on the house? I don't know. But this is going straight to my mama. I'd say happy Mother's Day, but we're not there yet. We're in February, so love you, Mom.